Mark the Meerkat here with the trade of the day from the Grok day trading chat room. And this morning we were trading on a C-Trip. It had earnings. It was up nice and big. And here it was at opening. It popped up here. I got long. It popped up and then snapped back over 2%. I was stopped out of that one for just a small gain. And then I tried it on this breakout right here. I got in again, and then it snapped right back and stopped me out. So here it was now forming a high base. AKA, then at the end here, we're starting to form a ascending triangle. Want to know more about those? Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school, and you can read about those particular formations, high base and ascending triangle. Either way, they are both bullish. So yeah, set a trade, let the market come to me, getting ready to trade this one. Now it had been a very, very choppy morning. In fact, let me show you what we had been trading so far at this point in the morning. Look at this. Out of my first 9 trades, I only had 3 income trades out of my first 9, and we were still not in the money yet as far as the overall trading day, but we were able to cut our losers short here. So let's get ready to do this trade right now. Set it, and I don't know if it's going to happen or not, or if it's going to just end up falling down. So it's ready, set, and boom, there it is. It just broke out, and I didn't get in until this candle right here, and there I am. I'm in at $40.49, $40.49 when it finally got filled right here. And let's go ahead and set our stop. Now our stop is automatically set at 1%. It's attached to it. Boom! I'm in at 1% right there, and so now I'm looking at this. Well, where would it be a nice place to put my stop? I would put this was a major area of resistance. Put it just below that, and it's less than 1%. So I just reduce the risk in my trade, and I have a shield to protect me from getting stopped out. Then this line right here is the R2 pivot line, and it is going to be another possible line of support and resistance. And again, it is up now about 15% on the day. But could it go higher? I don't know. I don't care. I just want to trade what I see and make money. And let's see where it goes from here. And certainly, and it just kind of stalled here for the longest time. So, oh well, it's kind of like the story of the day, right? And I get in and then it immediately turns around. But it's just resting here. Oh, now it's starting to take off a little bit. So now that it has run up here, it's just sitting here, resting here right around $41. Can't seem to break out the even dollar amount. So I'm bringing up my stop here. I'm going to bring it just in the money if this is a full stop here. But now I'm considering if it's stalled here at the even dollar amount, perhaps I should take out half. That does follow my trading rules. If it stalls in a major line of resistance, you take out half and let the second half run. So let's go ahead and take out half right here. And I did at $40.96 for 1.2% on that first half. I now need to change the number of shares in my stop, and I'm going to leave it right here at the same thing. It's in the money, so I have a guaranteed income trade here. If this decides to just hit it, snap out here above 41 and then crack back down again, I've at least made some profit on it. But let's see. Oh, let's let my winner run here. Now it's taking off nicely here. And now I'm going to bring you, this whole time I'm bringing my stop up here right to just under the $41, and then it was basing right here, breaking out from this base right here, bringing it up here, leaving it this 20 moving average, so just below the 41.25 and this 20 moving average, a couple of shields there, because that was resistance right here. That 41.25 could now be support. Let's see here. All right, we're just taking it easy, and now it's getting to be here 11 o'clock on market time here. As we moving ahead here, it's just kind of drifting. So I'm just slowly bringing my stop up here, slowly bringing my stop up. Now it's sitting here basting just under 42, and boom, breaks out from $42 now. Wow. So I'm going to bring my stop up here, just keeping with this 20 moving average here. And again, it was nice big volume when it broke out there from to above 42. And now we're trying to wrap up the day in the Grok Day Trading Chat Room. We usually finish about 11:30 or so Eastern Time, and it's just resting up here. This 42.50 here was a major resistance, so I'm bringing my line up here. And now it's past the time we normally stop trading, and I'm just like, what am I going to do here? What am I going to do? It's just resting here, resting here. The rest of the market has gone sideways now at lunchtime, and so I went ahead and I took out the second half for at 42.36 for 4.6% on the second half. Hoo-ah! Now that's letting your winner run. So let's take a look at this whole trade here. We have the some ascending triangle here. It broke out. I got in, and then I managed my stop, reducing my risk from the 1%. And then when it did break out and stall at an even dollar amount of $41, I took out half. Then it ran on up, and I just kept managing my stop, managing my stocks, took some other trades, and now at the end of the day here, it was just stalled up here, so I went ahead and I took out the second half. So this total trade was for 2.9% in 1 hour and 8 minutes. Trading our model portfolio of investing $10,000 per trade, that would have been about $290 profit on that one trade. Now again, I showed you that we were struggling today, and that did bring us back into positive for the day, and we ended up with about plus just over 2% for the entire day. Now, what happened after that? Now, out of curiosity, I always wonder. Sure enough, lunchtime, and it did make a dip right back down there below the 50 moving average even, so and below the 42 even dollar amount. Glad I got out. So this is Mark the Meerkat here. Just remember what it says in Super Trader by Tharp, that you have to cut your losers short and let your winners run.